Hello everyone, welcome to Canteen Cut. My name is Scott, and many people have heard me in the past say I will be cold and wet only when I want to be cold and wet. Well, today was one of those days, one of these things we had to get out and had to get something done. So we spent today getting our tower ready, and as you can see, it's a big tower. The tower itself is about 70 foot. And then that little stinger on the end is probably about another 7 or 8 foot. And then I'll put a 10-foot antenna on top of that. Along with that, near the top here is where we're going to put our internet access point. So we'll get actually better service than what we have now. But today is one of those cold, rainy days. We're getting weather from Tropical Storm Nestor, swinging by the great state of Georgia. I just wanted to touch base with everybody, let you know I'm still alive and well, but we're still busy trying to get the homestead ready. So that's our tower. It's an aluminum tower. It weighs about 300 pounds. And then what I'll do when I get ready to raise it up, I'll pivot it back up, and I'll do a video on that when we get ready. But that'll be a dry day. We don't need to be doing that when it's muddy, because that's a lot of safety issues there. Anyhow, if you notice, we do have a propane tank over at the end there. However, the tower does not reach the tank, and even with the antenna on it, it won't reach the tank. And if it falls on its current axis, it misses it completely. So we're safe there. We gave the concrete about a week and a half, 2 weeks to cure. There was 7.5 yards sitting in there, so that sucker ain't going anywhere. Anyhow, I just wanted to touch base with everybody and let you know everything's okay, and hopefully here in the near future, as we start to settle down even more, we'll be able to put some more content out. So everybody stay safe and stay secure.